Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Devika. If you are watching this space for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. In today's video, I am going to be showing you skincare routine before makeup. Without any further ado, let's get started. We always start with cleanser, and for that I am going to be using clean and clear face wash. Cleansing helps to remove all the dirt, oil and impurities from the surface of the skin. So always wash your face with lukewarm water. Use a soft and mild cleanser according to your skin type. This will further help to make the skin smoother, and this also ensures that the makeup can glide in evenly and stays put throughout the day. Second step is toner. For that I am going to be using the Mom's Co green tea toner. Toner can help to remove any remaining impurities from the surface of the skin. It can seal the pores and helps to hydrate the skin. Always use a non-drying alcohol-free toner that helps to refresh and soften the skin. After applying the toner, wait a few seconds until the toner has nearly dried before moving to the next step. Here comes our third step, that is serum. For that I am going to be using Pilgrim's Vitamin C Serum. It's important to apply these products after cleansing and toning, as they will be able to penetrate the skin more effectively when it is clean and free of dead skin cells. Simply apply 2 to 3 drops of serum to your face and gently pat it onto your skin. Allow the products to absorb into the skin before moving on to the next step. Next step is moisturizer. For moisturizer, I am using here Plum Moisturizer. A moisturizer helps to brighten and soften the skin, making the foundation and concealer application easier. It also helps the makeup stay longer. Make sure to use a moisturizer that suits your skin type and offers all-day hydration. Next step is sunscreen. Here I am using Wow Sunscreen. Sunscreen helps to protect the skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause sunburn, tanning, premature aging, fine lines and wrinkles, and even skin cancer. It's important to apply sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days and during the winter months, since UV rays reach and harm your skin even when the sun is not visible. Apply a generous amount of sunscreen to your face and also include your neck and massage it in until it is fully absorbed. One of the most important steps before applying makeup is to use a primer. Primer helps to smoothen out the skin by filling in any crease or large pores. It reduces the appearance of any kind of blemishes, adding an extra layer of moisture to the skin. Actually, it acts as a protective barrier that prevents the moisturizer and skin oil balance from mixing with the makeup. Our last step is lip balm. For lip balm, I am using here Nykaa lip balm. Our lips also need to be hydrated. Dry lips can make the lipstick look flaky and even peel it off. Ensure your lips stay hydrated throughout the day, so always apply a lip balm and let it sit for 5 minutes. This will soften and smoothen the lip